In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Sam's Club credit account 2025, step by step. We'll walk through a clean, secure way to access your credit account, starting from finding the right page and ending with a successful sign in. If you follow along, you'll be ready to check your balance, view statements, and make payments in just a few minutes. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Sam's Club credit card login. From the results, choose the official Sam's Club link. You'll know you're in the right place when the address shows the samsclub.com domain. This helps you avoid look-alike sites and make sure your information stays safe. Once you're on the Sam's Club website, look toward the upper right corner of the page for the Sign In option. That's your gateway to all account features. Click it to continue. If you're taken to the credit area of the site, you'll typically see an option that reads Sign In to Account. Go ahead and select that so you're directed to the correct login screen for credit services. On the credit page, you'll notice a button that says Sign In or Join Now. Click Sign In to proceed. The Join Now option is there for new members, but today we're focusing on accessing an existing account. At the login prompt, enter the email address associated with your Sam's Club account. Double check for typos and make sure you're using the same email you originally registered with. If you use autofill, confirm it populated the correct address. Next, type your password exactly as you set it. Passwords are case sensitive, so check that caps lock isn't on by mistake. If there's a show or hide icon, you can use it to verify what you're typing, especially on mobile. For security, avoid saving your password on shared or public computers. When both fields look correct, click the Sign In button. If your account has extra security enabled, you may see a quick verification step. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete it. In a moment, you should land in your credit dashboard, where you can review balances, recent activity, statements, and payment options. A few quick tips to make this easier next time: bookmark the official credit page so you can get back to it quickly, and always sign out when you're done, particularly on shared devices. If you ever run into trouble signing in, look for the help links on the same page to recover your password or get assistance. That's it. Simple, secure, and fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.